How to uninstall video drivers on Windows. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can uninstall video drivers on Windows, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you would like to uninstall some video drivers on Windows, first of all open up Device Manager. Once you open up Device Manager, you're going to see all these sorts of information. Now, video drivers are usually related to display drivers, right? So on the left hand side, just expand the display adapters menu over here. You might set different options based on which graphics card and whatever you use. So if you want to uninstall a certain driver, right click on it and click on uninstall device option over here. Once you click on uninstall device, that driver will get successfully removed. You can try the same for the other ones as well, and once you've done that, go to this little option here, action, and go to unscan for hardware changes. Then after you've done that, you can restart your PC and those video drivers will get uninstalled. This way you can uninstall video drivers on Windows. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.